It's Monday, the 30th of March 2026, and the Firesticks #1 downloaded app is back in the Amazon App Store. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So, after being removed from the App Store a few days ago, AFTV News Downloader is back once again in the App Store. As I reported yesterday, the developer made some adjustments and resubmitted the app back to Amazon. It's now been accepted and once again in the App Store. So what actually happened? Why was it removed? Well, as you might remember, a little while ago now, the developer completely redesigned the app and made the bias on the app with more of a browser sort of style. And as a part of this, on Android devices, the developer made the change so that Downloader could be registered as a default browser. This meant that if an app wanted to open a web page and couldn't do it itself, then it could call upon Downloader as its default browser and open up the web page in that. Whilst this change is perfectly okay on Android devices running Android TV and Google TV, unfortunately, despite saying Downloader now registers with Android as a browser in its release notes that the developer originally submitted to Amazon, it appears that Amazon does not want any apps other than Silk Browser, its own browser, to be able to register as a browser on Fire OS. Therefore, Amazon removed the app from their App Store. The developer has found whilst Amazon is fine with apps that have a built-in browser, as long as the app itself does not declare itself as a browser to Fire OS, then that's fine. So therefore, the app has been redesigned with no changes, apart from it no longer declares itself as a browser. This is to satisfy Amazon's policies. The Google and Android versions remain totally unchanged and still allow you to register the app as a browser for the Google TV and Android TV OS. If you've sideloaded the app whilst it was away from the App Store, then the developer recommends removing the sideload version of the app and reinstalling it directly from the Amazon App Store. This will ensure that you'll always have the latest updated version. Now, if you downloaded the app from the Amazon App Store before it was removed, then you do not need to do anything. It will still automatically update to the new compliant version and will still receive updates in the future.